After years of preparation,
3, 2, 1, commence!
And months of construction, LEGOLAND is ready to unveil their latest marvel with the world. I'm Zach Camerino. Join me as I go behind the scenes in the creation of the LEGOLAND Castle Hotel. That's all coming up in this special episode of Behind the Bricks, LEGOLAND's New Kingdom. I'm standing next to the construction wall that has been guarding the LEGOLAND Castle Hotel since groundbreaking. Located just steps away from the LEGOLAND theme park, it's been piquing the curiosity of visitors for over a year now. I think it's about time we really see what kind of magic is inside. What do you think kids are going to be most excited about once they step in here?
I think they're going to be most excited that this is their hotel. Everybody will be immersed, so it'll be a very role-playing environment where children get to become little knights, little wizards, little princesses.
That's awesome. Being able to walk through the LEGOLAND Castle Hotel under construction was amazing, but they're still a couple months away from opening. In the meantime, let's head over to LEGOLAND's other kingdom, which is already built. Come on. This is Castle Hill, one of the most popular areas in the LEGOLAND theme park. Unlike the new LEGOLAND Castle Hotel, this kingdom is full of rides. And aside from the rides, this area features a ton of great merchandise and some yummy food. Let me tell you, this is delicious. Walking through this area, it's so interactive, it's so fun for the kids. It had to have served as a great model when designing the LEGOLAND Castle Hotel.
LEGOLAND California Resort is filled with a variety of different lands for kids to dive deep into and utilize their creativity and imagination. The major inspiration for LEGOLAND Castle Hotel is the Lego Castle themed toy line that has been a fan favorite for so many years.
The day is finally here. Commoners from all around the globe are gathered here for the official opening of the LEGOLAND Castle Hotel.
Let the celebration begin!
Talk about an amazing ceremony. But now that it's over, allow me to give you the tour.
Welcome! This is the Grand Hall, the main entranceway to the castle. It's open to kids of all ages, young and old. As you see, my mighty wizard friend is there overseeing things with a moat of Lego bricks to build things. Hopefully you'll build some things while you're here. That's what we're here for after all.
I am here inside the Royal Courtyard, which is really the center of the new Castle Hotel.
During the day here at the Knights Training Ground, we have the Duplo Tot Spot where you can play with Lego bricks. We could also go to the Knights Training Ground and play on that amazing jungle gym that I really want to play on. And then there's also the outdoor screen that shows Lego content throughout the day and into the evening. Every night at 6, 7, and 8, we have live shows for the kids. 6 o'clock is kind of for the 5 and under crowd. It's Bubble Circus. Then at 7 o'clock, we alternate daily between Night School, where the kids become LEGOLAND Knights, or Jingles Dance Battle, where you can be crowned king or queen of the dance floor. And then at 8 o'clock, we do our one scripted show, which is The Kingless Kingdom. And if you like Monty Python and Benny Hill and all that kind of stuff, that show is for you.
I am now here in Dragon's Den, which happens to be the only full-service sit-down restaurant here inside the resort.
We are a buffet breakfast in the morning, and at night we transform into steak, seafood, and pasta. Every kid is just having such a great time. There's entertainment that goes on throughout. It's very lively. Parents can enjoy adult beverage and watch their kids play, so it offers something for everyone.
One of the cool things about staying in a Lego hotel is that there's Lego models. There's more than 2,000 models, which are made up of over 3 million Lego bricks.
This model here is our knight riding a horse. This probably took about 2 master model builders about a month and a half or maybe 2 months to build. It's about over 800,000 Lego pieces involved in this one. And we've got everything from magic wands to crowns to dragons, owls, crossbows, swords. We've got something for everyone, and it's so exciting. I'm so glad it's finally coming together.
My favorite part about Legoland Castle Hotel are all the fun facts within. So these are good knights that are carrying this big tray of food up to the king. You'll see the little family of mice, they're kind of hanging out, chilling on the inside, but hidden inside here is a bad knight. And all throughout the Castle Hotel, you're gonna see bad knights that are trying to get up to the king. But what we're doing is having the good knights protect the king from those bad knights and asking our guests to find all those bad knights throughout the hotel.
And after all this excitement, let's explore where you'll be resting after an awesome adventure.
Welcome to the Magic Wizard Room in the Legoland Castle Hotel. We are on the 3rd floor. This room has 6 different Lego models. There's also a play area for the kids filled with lots of Lego bricks so they can take inspiration from their day in the park and build their own creations.
Hey everyone, welcome to the Royal Princess Suite. Now this creative that you'll find here features a feisty princess. She's feisty yet charming, and she's actually trying to go into the tournament to win on the boys. She's enlisting the help of the jester.
We're in the Knights and Dragon room. Welcome. In this room, you'll see that theme is actually based upon the knight's true mission to protect the king's castle and also his treasure. So you'll see that throughout the room. And you can't miss our Lego dragon over here. He is our most intricate model yet at any Legoland hotel. So we're so happy to have them right here in Carlsbad.
Wow, it's been one wild and exciting adventure. But now I finally get to relax. I'm sure you could tell I was eager to get in here. Anyways, be sure to book your stay at the Legoland Castle Hotel now by going to legoland.com.
Step over here.
Whoa, Lego's on the floor!